When we bought the body shop, my father came up and had a look at it. It seemed a very, very big building when we first went in there. But after about 5 years, we doubled the size. We're in Halesworth, which is a small market town, but we consider Halesworth to be in the middle of everywhere. It's equidistant from Bury St Edmunds, Ipswich and Norwich. We look after a lot of different customers, from the big fleet owners down to the one car owner. A lot of youngsters throughout the group, particularly here at Body Shop, where we take on 2 apprentices each year. They're fully trained, and some of them have achieved remarkable standards by getting through to national competitions, which we're very, very pleased about.
I've worked here for 5 years now. I came here when I left school. I was 16. Very proud of our work. We all work as a team. We all help each other out. It's not just one person doing their own thing. Seeing the car come in all damaged, and then seeing the processes of it being repaired, and then leaving the workshop looking all nice and new again.
Now, there's not many vehicles that we can't repair. We've got jigs, body jigs, we do chassis straightening, aluminium welding, the list goes on. We like to be first with any of the modern technology. It's all about technology nowadays, and we're going to make sure that we're in the forefront.